Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be making broccoli cheddar soup. So as you saw, I started cooking the broccoli first. Now I'm just cutting up the onion into small pieces. So I decided to make this recipe because it's getting a little cold outside. So this is the perfect season to make it. Okay, now that the onion is cut up, this is how it looks. Now it's time to shred the carrots. So yeah, I know I need a better shredder, but this is what I have for now. Okay, so they're coming out good. So now I'm just gonna show you once I was done. Okay, so now I got a pot and I put some butter. Now I'm putting the onions in there. I'm gonna let that cook for a while. And then I'm gonna add some flour. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix that up really well, and then I'm gonna be adding about 6 to 7 cups of water. Now I'm gonna be adding some chicken bouillon. Okay, now it's time to add the heavy cream, and then I'm gonna mix that up really well. Now you can add the shredded carrots in. Okay, so now it's time to season. So I just added adobo, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. Now I'm gonna add the broccoli in and mix that up really well. Now that the soup is just about done, it's time to shred the cheese. So I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. So now you add the cheese in and you mix that up really well. By this time, you should see your sauce should be getting thick. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some minced garlic. Yes, I like the garlic taste. So I decided to add some chicken seasoning. Yeah, it's smelling really good right now. I can't wait to try it. This recipe is definitely good for the cold weather right now. Okay, now that the soup is done, I'm going to be making me a bowl. And then I'm going to add a piece of bread to it and show you how it came out.